Good morning, students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. In this video, you will learn about the coastal plains and the islands. When we visit the seaside, we see long sandy beaches where the land meets the sea. This is called a coast. The low-lying land along a coast is called a coastal plain. The coastal plains flank the Deccan Plateau on the west and the east. In the west, they start from Gujarat and in the east from West Bengal. The two plains meet in Kanyakumari. The coastal plains in the west are called the Western Coastal Plains and the coastal plains in the east are called the Eastern Coastal Plains. The western coast is narrower than the eastern coast. The eastern coastal plains stretch from West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal lie along the eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains has two parts. The northern part is called the Northern Circars and the southern part is called the Coromandel coast. Many rivers such as Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi form large deltas along this coast. The Chilika Lake, the largest saltwater lake in India, is located along the eastern coast in the state of Odisha. The western coastal plains form a thin strip of land that stretches from the state of Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. It falls between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. The western coastal plains is divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, and the Malabar coast. The Gulf of Khambat and the Gulf of Kutch lie along the western coastal plains. The states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala are located along the western coastal plains. Now we will discuss the life in the coastal plains. Located on the eastern coast, Odisha is a state with fertile land. The coastal region is hit by major cyclones almost every year. The Chilika Lake is a major tourist attraction where migratory birds roost. Towards the southernmost part of India, Tamil Nadu has a long coastline called the Coromandel coast. The river Kaveri flows through the state. The Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India. Puducherry is a union territory of India. It lies to the south of Chennai. The famous Aurobindo Ashram and the Matri Mandir are located here. The state of Gujarat lies on the west coast of India. Ahmedabad is the largest city in this state. The famous Sabarmati Ashram is located here. Gujarat is home to the Asiatic lion, which protected in the Gir National Park. Gujarat has the longest coastline in India. Located on the western side of the Indian peninsula, Maharashtra is the third largest state in the country. Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, is the largest seaport of India. It is also an important center for business and industry. The smallest state of India, Goa, is a land of beautiful sandy beaches, old churches, marvelous monuments, beautiful temples, and well maintained museums. Cashew nuts, rice, spices, coconuts, and mangoes are the main crops grown here. The state of Kerala lies on the Malabar coast. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of Kerala. The state is known for its beautiful backwaters. Coconut, rubber, cocoa, coffee, spices are the main crops grown here. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. A number of islands surround the coastal plains. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. India has two groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the two island groups forming one union territory. The Andaman lies to the north and Nicobar lies to the south. The smallest union territory of India, the Lakshadweep Islands, lie in the Arabian Sea. The Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 islands, out of which only 10 are inhabited by people. This island is formed by the deposition of corals. Dear students, in this module you have learned that coastal plains are divided into two parts. States having coastline are Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Kerala. There are two island groups that surround the coastal plains, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Thank you and have a nice day.